In this video, I will show you how to set up LOS pricing. If you have not already watched our video explaining length of stay pricing, check that out first. Now, in order to update your LOS pricing, you want to click on the Properties tab and click All Properties. Click Edit or Improve. Under Step 5, click on the Pricing tab. Here you will have your normal prices. Click on Edit next to the first season and scroll down to LOS pricing. First, enter in from how many nights the new price applies, and then enter in the new price. If you're using an extra guest price, you need to specify each price per number of guests. The daily price for this specific season was 100 euros, as you can see up here. With the new LOS pricing, the new daily price will be 90 euros if the guest books 7 or more nights. You can add several discounts per season. Once done, scroll up and click on Save. The LOS pricing is now applied to the spring seasons. Make sure you add the LOS pricing to all the seasons, and once done, click on Save and Next. In order to use LOS pricing with Airbnb, HomeAway, and Booking.com, please contact our support team to enable this feature. LOS pricing is not enabled by default for these channels. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video useful.